if you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita. You can subscribe down below if you want to keep it up with me, because it's an interesting journey, the YouTube. Why not? It's free. So for today's video, I thought about doing some summer DIY clothes because, you know, I spend a lot of time on Pinterest, and a lot of the pictures that I see, I'm just like, I wish I had that outfit, or oh wow, that t-shirt is really aesthetically pleasing, and so I want that, I need that. And therefore I tried to gather a lot of pictures or inspirations of Pinterest, these ones, and basically just turn my clothes, my boring clothes, into some interesting pieces that I was actually going to wear. And therefore I'm really proud of this video because they turned out so freaking good. And yeah, I'm excited to just wear them and take a lot of photos with them. And yeah, they're like my babies now.
Feel the same, you and I. Still I wish I could rewind. Set your sails, float away. Wish I could stay, still give you space. But I wish I could rewind, baby.
that was today's video. I really hope you guys liked it. I'm so proud of the results. You tell me on the comments down below what's your favorite DIY, because I really want to know. And let me know what other DIYs I should do, because, you know, crafts is exciting. If you want to keep it up with me, yeah, you know what to do. And I'll see you on my next video, because it's gonna be DIY. So yeah, stay tuned. It's exciting. And yeah, bye. Bye.